How to make your buttocks bigger without exercise. If your buttocks is not big enough, you are probably looking for a way to make it bigger. You will be surprised, but you can achieve this just wearing the right clothes and eating proper food. How to make your buttocks bigger without exercise. It is possible if you follow the next steps. 1. Change your walk. The way you are walking can emphasize or veil various parts of the body. Just straighten your shoulders and arch your lower back. It will not only make your body more attractive but will make your waist slimmer and visually enlarge your chests. Imitate catwalk. Imagine that on the ground in front of you is drawn a straight line that runs exactly under the navel, in the center between the feet. When you take a step, move the foot towards the center of the body, that is, place it on this imaginary line. Then stand on the same line with your second stop, just before the first one. Keep going this way, one foot in front of the other, and squeeze the buttocks. 2. Pick the right jeans. A well-matched pair of jeans can visually change your body. It becomes round and raised. The next time when you will choose jeans, remember the following: jeans should sit tight. Baggy trousers drown your curves, so they cannot be seen under the excess fabric. Skinny jeans or stretchy ones are perfect for showing off your buttocks. If you are not very comfortable in them, pick up jeans that just sit well in the back. Pay attention to the location of the pockets. Small high pockets on the body will visually enlarge it. Besides, pockets with decorations such as sparkles, seams or colored threads, create interest and attract the eye to your body. Do not wear jeans with too big pockets or no pockets at all. Try jeans with high waist. The top of jeans should fit your waist in the narrowest place so that it will look thin, and the body will seem bigger. Jeans with a low waist, sitting on the hips in the widest part, with a close-fitting shirt also visually increase the size of the buttocks. Do not wear dark jeans in which the buttocks and legs will look smaller, especially if you are wearing a light top. Instead, try white, pastel or light blue jeans. 3. Tighten the waist. If you emphasize a waist, your body will look more proportionally. Whether your belly is small or not, try these tips to make a favorable impression for men. Wear a belt at the waist. Find a narrow or wide belt and tie it at the waist in the narrowest place, over a blouse or shirt. The belt looks best over button-down shirts, sweaters or loose blouses. Choose a dark belt over a light shirt for excellent effect. Try a belt corset. If your waist is slightly larger than you would like, try wearing a corset belt. It must shift the excess from the abdomen to the buttocks and hips. Corset can be purchased at most clothing and underwear stores. Do not wear anything in a horizontal strip or with patterns on the waist. Overloaded with an ornament or too bright fabric emphasizes your belly and visually increases it. Instead, stop at the dark base colors on top. So your body will look big and hot. 4. Put on high heels. They change the natural shape of the spine in such a way that both the body and the chest are more visible. If you want to make the buttocks bigger, forget about the low thin heel for the spike heels. If you are not sure that it will work, stand on tiptoe in front of the mirror. Take a few steps, and you will notice how the movements of your legs and backside slightly become bigger. Your legs will look slimmer, and the body will be visually a couple of centimeters higher.